My name is Dan Waisempacher from Springtown, Pennsylvania, and I work for Multi-Machine Incorporated. So I'm the service manager at Multi-Machine, and we have between 150 and 175 machines right now, and another 105 coming for next year. Right now we only have 3 mechanics on the floor and then myself when needed. They kind of speak for themselves that we can keep up with that many pieces of machinery with a small team without having any major problems. PRINOTH's very easy to get a hold of. I have 2 really good contacts in the service department. If they need to, they'll put me in touch with engineering or whatever we need to do to get it figured out. And it's the way that they have these wired, everything's labeled, color-coded. The wires have a number stamped on them, so it's nice and easy to help a customer over the phone. I could tell them, what number wire to look for, where it's located, where it goes, and you can pretty much pinpoint where a problem is and get it resolved. PRINOTH makes my job a lot easier because of the availability of being able to talk to the people in service, the engineers, the salesmen at any time.